Today we're going to graph a circle in general form. The equation for a circle is written in standard form when the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared equals r squared. Note that hk is the center of the circle and r is the radius. When the equation of a circle is written as x squared plus y squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0, it is said to be in general form. Note that c, d, and e are real numbers. Let's work through an example to see the steps we should follow to graph a circle when given an equation in general form. The first thing we want to do is rewrite the equation in standard form. To do so, move the constant to the right side by subtracting 5 from both sides, and then group the remaining terms on the left by variable. Next, we complete the square inside each set of parentheses. Recall that we need to add the quantity b over 2 squared inside the appropriate set of parentheses on the left and right. Find the value needed to complete the square in the first set of parentheses. b is negative 6, so the quantity negative 6 over 2 all squared is 9. Add 9 inside the first set of parentheses and to the right side. Do the same for the second set of parentheses. Start with b is 4, 4 over 2 is 2, and 4 squared is 4. Adding 4 appropriately gives us the quantity x squared minus 6x plus 9, plus the quantity y squared plus 4y plus 4 equals negative 5 plus 9 plus 4. Factoring the first set of parentheses gives the quantity x minus 3 squared. Factor the second set of parentheses and then add the quantity y plus 2 squared. Complete the equation by simplifying the right side. Now we need to identify some important points and graph the circle. The first point we'll find is the center of the circle. Remember that the center is at hk. Here h is 3, the value being subtracted from x. K is the value being subtracted from y, or negative 2, so the center of the circle is at 3, negative 2. Next, we need to mark out the radius vertically and horizontally. Let's do this by finding the endpoints of the vertical and horizontal radii. We know that the radius squared is 8, so r is the square root of 8, or 2 times the square root of 2. The endpoint of the vertical radius extending up from the center of the circle will have an x-coordinate of 3 and a y-coordinate of negative 2 plus 2 times the square root of 2. To find the y-coordinate of the other point, subtract 2 times the square root of 2 from negative 2. Plot these points on the graph. Similarly, we find the endpoints of the horizontal radii by adding 2 times the square root of 2 to, as well as subtracting it from, the x-coordinate of the center. We plot these points and then draw a smooth curve passing through them. This is the graph of the circle defined by the equation x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y plus 5 equals 0.